Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sitting down and finally be able to do this video. Cultbeauty has a new launch, and this launch consists of 4 new edits. Yes, 4. All of them are all about hair concerns, and each box of course targets a specific concern. These edits are called the oil control edit, the thickening edit, the hydration edit, and the curl edit. As usual, I'll go over all the details that you need to know, from price to my own calculation, and of course share with you my final thoughts and which box I would be picking up in case I want to pick up any of them. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. This launch definitely gave me that same excitement I would get, or I used to get, from Cultbeauty's launches back in the day before the takeover by the Hut Group, and I'm hoping that we're gonna continue to see this in the future with future edits. Anyway, let me not jump ahead too much with my thoughts. Let's go ahead and talk about the first edit. The first one we're going to talk about is going to be the oil control edit. So obviously this edit is geared towards oily hair and how to be able to manage that. According to Cultbeauty, the oil control edit is worth over £195 or 225 euros, which is a great value because you're only paying £45 for it. This edit includes 9 products, 5 of which will be full sizes, 3 will be travel sizes, and 1 will be a deluxe size. That alone sounds amazing. The first full size we're gonna get is by the brand Amika, and we're getting the Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo, 140 ml, and that is worth £20. Next up, we've got a product by Briogeo, and it's the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Cooling Hydration Mask for dry, itchy scalp, 177 ml, and that is worth £30. We have never seen this from Briogeo in the past, so that is exciting to me. I like to see new products. Next full size is by the brand Goop, and we are getting the Restore and Shine Hair Serum. We are getting 30 ml, and that is worth £43. Pretty pricey. Next up, we've got a product by the brand Inner Sense. We are getting the Refresh Dry Shampoo, 70.1 ml, and that is worth £22. And the final full size is by a brand that is actually not sold on Cultbeauty currently. It might come later on, and it is by the brand We Are Paradox. We are getting the Scalp Hair plus Body Scrub, 200 grams, and that is worth £30. Let's get into the travel sizes. We are getting the Hair Gain Nourishing Miracle Treatment Mask, and that is worth £14.5. Next up, we've got 2 products by Virtue. We are getting the Virtue Full Shampoo, 60 ml, and that is worth £15, and the Full Conditioner, also 60 ml, and that is worth £16. I have heard great stuff about this specific line from Virtue. I believe this is like their most popular line when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. The final product in this edit is by the brand DPHU. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. We are getting the Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse, 59 ml, and that is worth £26. Not sure why they are calling this a deluxe size, but to me 59 ml can obviously be a travel size because it is quite generous. After I did the breakdown of all the products in this edit, my calculation came up to £216, a lot more than what Cultbeauty claimed, which is £195. They did not overvalue the box. It's actually undervalued. So far, so good. Let's get into the curl edit. This edit is also, of course, geared towards curly hair, and hopefully these products will help you achieve more defined curls, less frizziness, all of that. According to Cultbeauty, this box is worth over £190 or 225 euros, but it's yours at £45 only, or 51.75 euros. This box also has 9 products in total, but we don't have any deluxe sample. We have 4 full sizes and 5 travel sizes. The first full size that we are gonna get is one that we are also getting in the oil control edit, and it is the Goop Restore plus Shine Hair Serum, 30 ml, and that is worth 43 pounds. Next full size product is by the brand Living Proof. We are getting the Curl Definer 190 ml, and that is worth 33 pounds. Next up, we've got a cult favorite. It is by Olaplex. We are getting the number 3 Hair Perfector, and that is worth 26 pounds. And the final full size is also by the brand We Are Paradox. We are getting the Super Fuel Hair, Face, and Body Oil, 100 ml, and that is worth 30 pounds. Let's move on to travel sizes. The first travel size is by Briogeo, but again, it's not a familiar product. It's not a product that we see in a lot of edits. It is the Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Avocado Hydrating and Defining Hair Mask for Curly Hair. We are getting 59 ml, and that is worth 12 pounds. Next up, we've got a product by the brand Color Wow. We are getting the Dream Coat for Curly Hair, 50 ml, and that is worth 12.5 pounds. Next up, we've got Naturally Drenched Rebalance 118 ml, and that is worth 11 pounds. 2 more products to go, and both of them are by the brand Virtue, but this time we are getting the Curl Shampoo 60 ml, which is worth 15 pounds, and the Curl Conditioner 60 ml, which is worth 16 pounds. My own calculation of this edit is 198.5 pounds, which is again definitely higher than what Cultbeauty valued it at, which was 190 pounds. Again, not bad at all. Let's move on to the hydration edit, which is an edit I am excited about. This edit is supposed to contain products that are supposed to hydrate your hair, and according to Cultbeauty, it is worth over 185 pounds or 215 euros, and it's going to be retailing for 45 pounds or 51.75 euros, even though it is worth a little bit less than the previous edits. According to Cultbeauty, it is priced at the same price. This edit, however, includes 10 products, 5 full sizes, 3 travel sizes, and 2 deluxe samples. The first full size in this edit is by the brand Briogeo again, and we're getting the Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil, 30 ml, and that is worth 28 pounds. I am so glad we are getting this in this box. I have actually tried so many samples from this product, and I always thought it was so good. It added a little bit of shine, it made the ends a little bit softer, but it's not greasy or oily at all. And it has always been on my mind that if I were ever in need of a hair oil, this would be one I would consider purchasing. And now we are getting it in this edit. So to me, this is a big win. The next full size is also the Goop Restore Plus Shine Hair Serum, 30 ml, and that is worth 43 pounds. Now these 2 products I just mentioned are very similar. Do we need to? No, but I mean, that's okay. Both of them are full sizes. The next one is by Olaplex, and again, it is the number 3 Hair Perfector, and full size 100 ml, and that retails for 26 pounds. Next full size is by the brand Pacifica. We are getting the Scalp Love Rosemary Mint Serum. We are getting 58 ml, and that is worth 14 pounds. Final full size is by the brand We Are Paradox. We are getting the Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner, 250 ml. Definitely very generous, and that is 20 pounds. Not bad at all. Let's move on to travel sizes. We have one product by Coco and Eve. We are getting the Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Mask. We are getting 60 ml, and that is worth around 15 pounds. Now this product from Coco and Eve, I think, is their star product. It is what made them very popular. I personally haven't tried the specific product from them, so it would be great to try it out this way. The last 2 travel sizes are also by the brand Virtue. We are getting the Recovery Shampoo, 60 ml, and that is worth 15 pounds, and the Recovery Conditioner, 60 ml, and that is worth 16 pounds. Last 2 products in this edit are both deluxe samples. The first one is, again, the DPU Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse, 59 ml, and that is worth 26 pounds. And the final product of the edit is by Philip Kingsley. We are getting the Elasticizer, 40 ml, and that is worth 8 pounds. Again, these 2 deluxe samples to me are more like a travel size than a deluxe sample, which I do appreciate. So let's talk about my calculation of this edit. My calculation ended up being 210.9 pounds. So let's say 211 pounds. Again, much higher than what Cultbeauty valued this edit at. So we are seeing the same thing happening again, which again, I do appreciate. I must say this is one of the most interesting bugs to me so far for my needs. But let's talk about the thickening edit, which will be the last edit of this video. This edit is worth over 195 pounds, but it's yours at 45 pounds only. This will also feature 10 products. 6 of them will be full sizes, 3 travel sizes, and 1 deluxe sample. The first full size is by Briogeo. We are seeing Briogeo in every single edit. We are getting the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng plus Biotin Hair Thickening and Volumizing Spray. Very interesting product. I have never tried it and I have never seen it in any edit or goodie bag. We are getting 147 ml and that is worth 21.5 pounds. Next up, again, we have the Goop Restore and Shine Hair Serum, 30 ml, and that is worth 43 pounds. Are we getting this in every single edit? I think so. Then we have a product that is considered a full size, but I mean, it's one size. It is the Hello Clean Scalp Brush, and that is worth 8 pounds. I was always interested in trying one of these, but I never thought of purchasing it. So getting it in this edit wouldn't be as bad as I thought initially. Next up, we have a product that I did mention previously that I want the full size because we kept on getting a sample sachet. And I really wanted the full size to be able to try it out in an edit or a goodie bag, and I did mention it in a previous video. And it's finally here, and yeah, I'm really excited about this one. It is the one by Hum Nutrition. It's the Hair Sweet Hair 60 gummies, and that is worth 27.25 pounds. So essentially these are hair gummies that are supposed to have biotin, which can help but doesn't always help with hair growth, but I wanted to try them. They're quite popular. A lot of people have seen benefits and others haven't. So this is a great way to try it out. Next up, we've got a full-size product by the brand Living Proof. We are getting the Scalp Care Dry Scalp Treatment, 100 ml, and that is worth 22 pounds. The final full size in this edit is by the brand We Are Paradox. We are getting the Volume Blur Dry Spray, 100 ml, and that is worth 20 pounds. Let's move on to travel sizes. We have the Hair Gain Nourishing Miracle Treatment Mask, 50 ml, and that is worth 14.5 pounds. And again, we have a shampoo by Virtue, but this time it's the Flourish shampoo for thinning hair, 60 ml, and that is worth 15 pounds. And we are also getting the Flourish conditioner for thinning hair, 60 ml, and that is worth 16 pounds. And the final product in this edit and this whole video is by the brand DP Hue again, and we are getting the Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse, 59 ml, and that is worth 26 pounds. My own calculation of this edit is 213.5 pounds, whereas Cultbeauty valued it at 195. So we're talking about almost a 20-pound difference. So the edit that has the highest value is actually the oil control edit, and the edit that has the lowest value is the curl edit. But in my opinion, all of these boxes are wonderful. They all offer a great value and really nice products to try. I am personally interested in a lot of individual products, but I would say the most interesting edits for me are the hydration edit and the thickening edit. Maybe a little bit the oil control edit. I am not interested at all in the curl edit. That's just not a concern of mine. But I can definitely see how one of you who has curly hair would be. Honestly, I'm gonna be frank with you guys. This release is amazing in my opinion. It has definitely brought back Cultbeauty to what it was to me in the past, and I'm hoping they will continue with this path. They're not gonna change again. We will see about that. I am definitely picking up the hydration edit and the thickening edit. Not sure yet about the oil control. I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. Is it good? Is it as good as their previous releases? Are you satisfied? Are you gonna pick up any of these edits? I would love to know everything you have to say. I know you can join the waitlist currently on Cultbeauty's website, as I already mentioned, But I also did see that these edits are going to be released on the 21st of February, which will be in around a week from the day I'm filming this video. I can definitely see how some of these might go out of stock quite immediately because they are honestly really good edits. So if you have your eyes on one of them or all of them or whatever, make sure you join the waiting list so you don't miss out on what you want. And that brings me to the end of this video. If you have made it so far, thank you so much for tuning in and sticking all the way. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my future content. Bye guys.